Previously, documents and pictures were added one by one under the vendor, customer, job, and inventory profiles. Now we've added new features that allow you to create default folders within the system parameters, organize your docs and pics with a multi-level file structure, and the ability to drag and drop to easily add multiple files at once. We'll start with default folders. Today I'm going to add a default folder for customers. Once the default folder is added, the folder will automatically appear for all customers. Default folders for inventory, vendors, and jobs work the same way. Let's get started. From the system parameters, I'll select Customers, then type the folder name in the value field. You can add multiple default folders by placing a comma between folder names. You can also delete default folders by simply removing the folder name from the value field. If you delete a default folder from within the system parameters, the folders will be deleted unless docs and pics currently reside within that folder. Click Close to save your changes. And now we'll see how this looks in a customer's profile. Select a customer, go to Docs and Pics, and notice that the default folder we just created is automatically in the Docs and Pics section. You can manually add additional folders to a customer's profile by clicking Options and Add Folder. Now that we've added a new folder, I want to rename it. Since the new folder is already selected, I can easily rename it by hitting F2 on my keyboard. I'm going to call this Pool Build. Other keyboard shortcuts include using the Insert key to add docs and pics, Enter to view docs and pics, and Delete to easily delete folders or docs and pics. When you use these keyboard shortcuts, be sure you've highlighted the folder or document you want to work with. Now I'm going to create secondary folders within my main folder, Pool Build. This feature allows you to easily organize multiple docs and pics. We'll go to Options, Add Folder, F2 to rename it. We'll call this one Phases. I want to add one more folder, so I'll go to Options, Add Folder, F2 to rename it, and this one will be Equipment. Now let's add some pictures to the folders. Previously, you could only add docs and pics by clicking Add and selecting a single document or picture from your computer. Now you have drag and drop capability to easily pull over multiple docs and pics. I'm going to go into my Phases folder, go to the folder where my photos are, select a few pictures to put into the folder, and simply drag them over. And here we have 4 photos in our Phases folder. Now I want to go back and add one more photo to the Equipment folder, and I'll just select that one and drag it over. Hit Exit Screen to save, refresh your screen, and now you can see the Docs and Pics folder in the customer profile, or in the inventory profile if you've added docs and pics to an inventory item. These docs and pics can be easily viewed by clicking on the folder and selecting an item to view. And that's all there is to adding docs and pics. For more information on docs and pics, please review the release notes and help file.